Hello all, we're back down here at Smoke Hollow for another episode of Smoker's Guide to What's for Dinner. And this evening we're going to be doing chicken fajitas. Alright all, we're going to start with our smoked fajita ingredients list. You're going to need one whole chicken smoked, a jar of black bean corn salsa, 8 ounces of pico de gallo, some minced garlic, roughly about 2 tablespoons. Gonna need some fajita seasoning, about a tablespoon's worth. Some granulated onion, again another about a tablespoon. Chili powder, you're gonna need about a teaspoon. Then you're gonna need some shredded cheddar cheese and some ranch dressing. All right, we're gonna walk through the steps now with your fajita smoked chicken. We're gonna start off with the smoked chicken, which I smoked the day before. I did go ahead, when I smoked it, I did spatchcock the chicken. There's some videos out there on YouTube channel you can sort through. Jeremy and Josh have a good one with their turkey. So check that one out on our channel as well. So now I go ahead and I start cutting the chicken into pieces I want. Now with it being cold, it's a lot easier to remove the skin when it's hot. But I slice the chicken, go ahead and cut it up, and then I get it into bite-sized pieces. Then as I'm putting it in the pan, I break it apart to kind of give it a pulled look. Add a little bit of the minced garlic. Go ahead and sprinkle a little of your taco seasoning on top, or fajita seasoning. Sprinkle in the chili powder. Come back with your granulated onion. Now you want to put about a half a cup of the black bean corn salsa and about a half a cup of the pico de gallo. And now you want to go ahead and put about half a cup of ranch in there. Now you're going to stir all that together, mix it all together. Now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of cheddar on top of this. All right, we're back outside. It's time to take the chicken fajitas off and go in there and serve up a nice bite to eat. All right, we're done with our cheesy chicken fajitas, smoked out there on the Smokin Brothers grill. All we got left now is a little taste testing. So thank you again for tuning in to our What's for Dinner episode today with the smoked chicken fajitas. From our family to your family, smoked chicken fajitas is what's for dinner.